Anybody on board?
Yeah, what's up?
Come out. Yes, you do know me. Come on out.
Officers are responding on reports of 2 suspects on this boat brandishing firearms at boaters.
Anybody else in there with you right now?
This is my girlfriend, but she's a passenger.
I need both of you to come on out.
We're good.
If you need me in a different position, just let me know.
I get a little closer.
I'm really concerned about something I heard about you today. I gotta talk to you about it. Come on out.
I see the gun on your waist. Just don't reach for it. You hear me?
I'm not reaching for nothing.
All right, I see the gun on your waist. Just don't reach for it. Tell your friend come out. All right, I see you got your phone. That's fine. You can grab your phone.
Can you take a couple steps to your right?
Is that a rifle sling on your back too?
Oh, it totally is.
That's fine.
That's fun. I like it.
Thank you.
Is that hollow? Hologram?
It's not a joke.
I'm not taking my gun. We haven't broken the law here, not on our property. We haven't broken the
Brandishing a
law.
weapon at FWC.
We didn't point it at you. We didn't point it at nobody.
Here, we're
You're
gonna
not
talk.
taking my weapon. I'm not taking it. We haven't pointed them at you guys. We haven't pointed at any one of you. Y'all can suck my dick. Got a supervisor. We did not point them at you.
Go back that way. You see he's got a gun in his waist, right? Pistol? You saw it?
But we pointed them at you. You would know. Trust me. We did not point them at you.
We really want this to go well, and I want it to go
Oh,
well.
we do too. Yeah, me too. I know what rank you are. That's all we do. We mind our own.
I know what rank you are.
I'm glad for that.
I was there. I was actually beyond you at one point. So, you can suck my dick. You ain't touching my gun. You ain't touching our gun. You ain't touching our weapons. Because we have the right to brandish it on our property.
It's our legal address on our license too. This is our home.
License.
It's on our license. The Supreme Court ruled this is our home if we're on it more than 10 days a month. This is our home.
Y'all want to violate our rights? Go ahead. You're on live camera right now. You're on live. We didn't do shit. Guys,
I'll show you registration. You have the right to see
registration.
but you can just look my numbers up too and you can see that.
But you don't got to see our ID. We didn't do anything wrong. We're not violating any rights. We're not breaking any laws.
The
We're
report
on our
I had
fucking
was
part.
you did something wrong, and I just want to talk to you.
Well,
I wanna make sure that
what somebody else says has nothing to do with it. And I know who called you because he don't like us because he wants to go hurt the man on that boat, Owen. And we said, listen, that's our friend. We don't want you boarding his boat and killing him in his sleep. I can go get it for you if
I
you
ain't
want.
giving you my shit.
Hey, can you do me a favor, ma'am?
Wait.
The flag, can you roll it up a couple times over for me?
What's the point of that?
We want to see what's going on.
That's it.
You're f***ing right. That's our personal f***ing home in there. You don't got the right to stay in there.
I'll remove this just out of respect.
I appreciate
it. You
it.
don't want no trouble.
Thank you.
But at the same time, with you guys out here boarding people's boats when they're not home, that's a little scary.
I've actually been watching you for
We
2
watched
days.
you guys
illegally board everybody's boat.
Ladies, listen to me.
Go ahead.
Let's have a discussion. Let's do this one at a time.
Go ahead. Violate my rights. Go ahead.
I want to get your identification, please.
Go ahead. Go violate her rights. She did
Actually,
something
before
wrong.
I do that, let me take the weapon from you real
Go
quickly.
ahead. Violate her rights.
No, you do not.
You would not have permission.
Get off our boat.
Get off our boat.
Hey, relax.
No.
Let him talk to you.
Get off our boat. Go ahead and shoot me. I don't get off my boat. You do not have permission to set your foot on this
Is
boat.
this your boat?
Get the fuck off my boat.
Hey, Cap, no, so, looks like there's no HIN number on the vessel. No HIN, sir. Where's your HIN?
No. What?
Hey, he said put your hands behind your back. You got a misdemeanor. You don't have a HIN number on a vessel on the waters of the state.
The engine don't work. You're violating our rights. Go ahead.
Criminal rights.
Violate my rights. Go ahead. Violate our rights. You can kiss my off me.
Put your hands behind your back. You can sit down right here.
Chill out, man. I ain't done nothing to you.
We didn't do shit.
Chill out. All right.
Relax.
Well, did we
If you
do
relax,
something?
I'm trying
Did we do
nicely.
something?
Trying nicely.
Did we do something? Go ahead. Do something, mother.
Hey, watch this guy behind you.
Get off.
I got him.
You're stepping on me, man. Leave my fucking girlfriend alone, dude. Get off.
If you put your hands behind your back,
Chill out. Everybody chill out.
Watch your muscle.
Everybody chill out. You guys need to chill too.
let go of your hand. I don't care what you have.
You're breaking the law.
I just want everybody to be okay.
Kiss my fucking ass.
You want me to tase you?
No, I don't. You, man. Get away from me. You, man.
Relax.
Give me one more officer, please.
Leave the room. Go ahead. You got one in the chamber?
That sounds safe.
All right.
I can't record this shit.
Let go of my neck.
I'll let go of your neck if you stop resisting. Stop moving.
I'm not moving. I haven't moved. He's been pushing me. You need to calm down.
Kiss my fucking ass.
I got no problem with that.
Taser.
Put your hand
Now. Hands behind your back. Put them now. Put it behind your back now. Do it again.
Oh, yeah, you're
You keep your hands in the back. You understand me? You try to reach for that motherfucking gun, I'm gonna shoot you. You understand that?
I hear you.
Where's the gun? That gun.
You're still alive, motherfucker.
We ain't broken no law. Since when does a misdemeanor get you arrested? Since when does a misdemeanor get you arrested?
When does that ever happen?
Normally you get a bench warrant.
You guys, what's the problem?
What did I
we
do?
came here nice,
What did
trying
I
to
do?
talk to you guys. We
What did
asked
I
for
do
some
to
license
break-
registration.
What me talk to you. What did we do to break the law? What law did we break?
Relax.
You got the
No,
flash
I'm not.
light.
What law did I break? Is that body cam on?
Is that just like
Listen,
a one?
I see the light flashing. What law did I break?
You have the right
One
to remain
access?
silent.
Are you listening?
I do, but I want to know what I broke the law. What law did I break?
Listen.
Nice.
You have the right to an attorney.
Oh, I'll get an attorney, all right.
You understand the rights.
I like
And I
that.
want to know
Nice.
what law I broke.
And we're going to take you to Monroe County Jail
For what law did we break?
for resisting at this point.
What about me, though? What about me?
without-
I didn't resist. There's 6 of you here. One of you can tell me.
Refusing to
If you got any sort of
comply with
respect for your
FWC
job, tell me what law I broke.
And I'm
Can I
off
take a
first.
picture of my
stand by.
foot? Yeah, I can take a picture of my foot. You make me bleed. Is this on body cam? Look at that.
Don't put that on me.
No? I can't record evidence? I
putting
can't
blood
record
on me.
evidence?
Better
I
watch
didn't put
yourself.
blood on you. I put it near you. I didn't put it
I'm
on
sure
you.
you got plenty of blood on you.
Hey, you want to continue escalating and make the
I just want to
situation
know
worse
what
for you
law I
guys?
broke.
Weapon.
I just want to know what law I broke.
What about my
Well, if
Miranda
you weren't
rights?
listening, he said it to you. You weren't listening.
No, he didn't.
You have the right
One
to remain
access?
Are
silent.
you listening?
I didn't hear shit.
What's your name?
I don't got to tell you mine. You already know
All
my
right.
name.
So what do you want me to call you?
I don't care what you call
Yeah,
me.
you
I
don't
break
gotta hear
no
shit.
law.
You don't
Well,
gotta know
sir,
our name.
do me a favor, sir. We're gonna board.
All right, I might
Ma'am,
be transgender, but don't disrespect me.
I asked you, right? I asked you nicely what you want me to call you.
Well, call me.
You
I
refused
did.
to answer
You wanted
me.
a brawl?
I told
You
you.
refused to
wanted a
answer.
brawl, right?
I told you I'm transgender.
Right?
Wanna, bro?
So
You
do me a
received
favor, ma'am.
training
Can
on
you
me.
stand up? Come on.
What did I do wrong?
Stand up. You're
What-
going on my vessel. Stand up. Turn around.
All right. Well, what law did I break?
Step up.
I want her
You relax. You stay
I want
there.
her hat. I want her hat.
One step at a time, please.
You have anything in your pockets?
Ain't in my pockets.
All right. You have any other weapons on you?
No.
Y'all need to lock my boat
Look
up.
down where you're stepping,
No.
unless you want to go in the water with a pair of handcuffs.
You ain't got the f***ing right to be in there. You know that, right? You know all that you're gonna be f***ed after this, right? Because we didn't do shit. Sir?
You wanted me to call you sir, right?
No, I don't want you.
You want me to call you ma'am?
Does it look like I'm a f***ing sir?
Oh, I'm sorry, ma'am.
Thank you.
I'm gonna board my vessel.
Whatever.
Grab her. Walk her to the front. Life jacket. I got the boat.
You thought I was running. What do I gotta run for?
Kill me right now. This country.
He's wearing a helmet, right?
F every one of you.
He's wearing a helmet, right?
I'm afraid to get blasted. Not that we're gonna do that. They seem to think that because Glenn called the cops because he's a little bitch. No, I don't have to. Move me yourself.
Do you want to get tased again?
Yourself.
You don't like it?
I don't want to be nice.
little bit?
I didn't break
Please
no
move,
law.
move this way, please.
I didn't break no law.
I say move this way, okay?
Yeah, I'm sure you did.
I'm trying to be nice with you.
Yeah, you're not being nice because
Well, I'm gonna
violating
use the
your rights.
necessary force to make sure you are compliant to my lawful orders. I said move this way, please,
Lawful
and you
order.
did
I'm
it.
good at that. Break no
Do
law.
that, please.
I
Thank
didn't
you.
break no law.
Do me a favor. Get on your knees.
Lawful order.
I'm good at that, actually.
All right, put the life jacket on.
I didn't break no
It's got
law.
in the strap.
Turn around.
You might rough me up a little bit. I like it. You can rough me up all you want.
Just one
I
nut.
might get turned on by it a little
One
bit.
nut.
Like,
Oh, I'm asking. One nut, or whatever you call it. A click. I don't give a fuck.
I said stop touching me. Do you understand?
he's so insecure. Oh my god.
Escalate.
Oh, you're me now, huh? Woo, I love it. I actually have a fetish for this shit. Hey, baby. Give it to me. I'm actually really turned on by this.
The suspects continued asking what laws they broke, swearing and yelling at the officers for the entire 25-minute boat ride back to shore.
All right, watch your step.
Hi, we actually did nothing wrong.
They won't tell us what we did
You ready?
wrong.
Why are you trying to make things worse for yourself? I'm
Because y'all made
making it seem like we bad guys.
Nah, you are bad guys.
Can
What
you
the
do me-
f*** do you
can you do
think
me
you
fair?
got us for? Who do you think is a bad guy here?
No one.
You!
Okay.
You think we did? Protect our own f***ing rights on our property. I'm not, in this case you don't hear me.
I can hear
With
you.
your f***ing stupid OS Oakley.
They threw a beer.
How much do those cost?
You don't like
Oh,
Oakleys?
y'all have heard about
Those
beer
90s,
can
bro.
face.
You don't like them?
Those 90s, this Jock 90s is,
What does that mean?
yo, that died out in the Jock 90s.
But remember, I'm young, like you said.
You might as well listen to f***ing Pearl Jam and f***ing shit like
How old do
that.
you think I am?
I don't know.
What are you-
28?
I guess I'm 28 then. I'm old. I'm older than that. I'll answer that. I am older than that.
Well, why are you afraid to tell me your age? I'm going to come for you if I was going to come for you. I told you I've already done it, but I haven't. I sit on my boat and I mind my own damn business. That's why I live on the water, because there's people don't know how to leave me the I can't even go to the damn restaurant without people insulting me, and then I get arrested by the people who are supposed to protect me, and they still insult me.
We did not insult you.
You
Yeah, you
have
did.
to call this men that so
Pretty
They've been calling us the N-word if we were...
It wasn't intentional.
I've been fighting my whole life to prove
It's not intentional to call someone the N-word either,
nothing but insult me for it.
It wasn't intentional.
It's not the intention to call someone an N-word, is it?
Probably would be an intentional thing.
I'm not going to give you my name or anything because we didn't break no law.
Do you know it's going to be a longer process if we can't find out who you are? It's going to be a longer day for you.
I'm a self-trained lawyer. I know the law. I have not broken the law. I allowed you to arrest me even though it was an illegal detainment. There's a reason he smiled about it.
And you know what? We're not talking anymore until we get a lawyer.
No, I have not broken the law. You arrested me.
We told you everything.
It's an illegal detainment. It's an illegal detainment.
Everything else they ask us, we're not saying shit. We have nothing else to say. We told you everything we need to tell you.
Thank you.
When officers step aboard a vessel, they're not just checking life jackets and that lone fire extinguisher. They carry the full weight of the law, from drug enforcement to human trafficking statutes, with firearms rules right there on the checklist. Out on the water, one premise sets the tone. Suspects know their escape route is gone. There's no off-ramp at sea, so resistance tends to get magnified and fast. Harder still is the collision between rights and optics. And don't forget, even while being restrained, a person can still kick, lunge, and use their own body as a weapon against the people trying to bring the situation under control. Here's one of the toughest truths to explain. Handcuffs don't make the danger disappear. A deck can feel like the smallest stage in the world. When tempers hit their boiling point, there's no crowd to play to and no corner to duck around. Only the law, and those intent on testing it. Every officer understands that once control is lost on the water, the risk doesn't fall only on the suspect. It falls on everyone aboard. So out here, hesitation isn't an option, and respect for lawful authority isn't a casual suggestion. We filed charges against one suspect, and another will likely face the same, or similar, counts. One individual is charged with 1 count of using or displaying a firearm during the commission of a felony, 2 counts of assault on a law enforcement officer, 2 counts of making unlawful threats to harm a public official, 2 counts of aggravated assault with intent to commit a felony, and 2 counts of resisting law enforcement. And until a court issues a verdict, they are presumed innocent.